So hey everyone, it's Christmas and this was really inspired by Scandinavian holiday. Okay, are you guys ready? So in your box, you're gonna get this really cute sticker. Oh snap, that's so cute. And let's kick it off with the nail plates. The first nail plate, this is MXM 115. And this plate will warm your heart with knitted sweater designs, Christmas ornaments, and a buffet style design inspired by Winter Wonderland, where you can just make and piece together your own holiday sweater. And there you go, little reindeer sweater. And moving on, this is MXM 116. A lot of individual designs. So this brings the feel-good vibes of holiday traditions with decorative Christmas trim and snowflakes and Scandinavian inspired animal designs. So I love it. Next in our collection is going to be these two traditional Christmassy beauties here with this beautiful pearlescent red, which is winterberry. And the next color we have is this beautiful green, which is spearmint, perfect for all of your holiday designs. And last, which is so exciting because we've never given, so look at this. This is our surprise gift. You will be getting this really cute keychain from Maniology. It comes with two different keychains, but looks exactly like our polish bottles, but it's not the same size. But I think it's a perfect box for those who Christmas is your favorite holiday. What do you guys think?